How you doing, Tracy?
Great. How are you, Alex?
Good, good.
Fantastic.
All right, we're going to do a bit of a case study today. So we're going to be looking at a few different product ideas. We're going to be looking at potentially finding new product ideas, but also I want to show you how easy it can be for yourself, but also for people, for watching this video. So for starters, what kind of products are you interested? You're interested? Well, tell me a little bit about it. You got grandchildren. I heard you had grandchildren. How many grandchildren? Eight grandchildren.
Yeah,
right.
Definitely. So one of those would be a niche that I'm obviously looking at.
Yes.
Around grandchildren, educational type things.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Interesting educational type thing.
Yep. And how old are your grandchildren?
From the ages of 12 all the way down to 6 months.
Wow. Okay. Right.
yeah.
That's a lot of products there.
Yeah,
that's like 10,
right.
20,000 products just there that you could be selling on Amazon right now.
No wonder I'm having trouble figuring out which one I want to sell.
Well, all right. Okay. And have you ever had a business before? Have you been involved in online business before?
Never ever an online business.
Okay.
No, never
all right.
ever.
So this would
my first time.
Your first, your first one.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're sort of new. You are a beginner at this sort of.
I am very much a beginner. I'm in the early stages.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. All right. Well, I'll walk you through a few product ideas now. Babies, toddlers market right now. Do you like pets?
Of course, dogs.
Dogs, awesome.
Not that I don't like cats.
Yes, okay.
Dogs.
All right.
Yes,
Okay.
dogs.
We'll look at both products, all right? The pet market is actually a very easy market to get involved in.
Right.
It's a very easy market, very easy to brand. You don't need to worry too much about like with babies. Amazon want to know a lot of things. They want to know, okay, where's this product made? Is it organic? Show us proof. And sometimes there's a few certificates you can show them. We can do it. Like we've got a team behind us that do the listings, so we've got no issue there. But sometimes with pets, it's easy to brand. Is that what you want to do as well? Like what's your goal for the next 3 years? So I was going to ask you.
Okay, well, obviously I want to get something on Amazon by Christmas.
Okay.
First one.
Yes.
Or two.
Yep.
I'd rather go the easy one rather than the hard one first time round, I guess.
Yes. Well, we're listing a product for you, so
what I want, Alex, ultimately, I want this to be a business. I want to brand my own products.
Yes.
I want it to be a business that I can then step back a little bit from and allow my daughter to have.
Yeah, okay. How old's your daughter?
My daughter's in her early 30s.
Oh, okay.
31.
Okay,
Yeah.
and she's looking to get involved and...
Well, she's got 5 children at home.
Yep.
She's very much a home mum.
Yeah, okay.
But they need the income, you know, like any young family. This would be a great way of her having a business. So like an inheritance from me, only she's going to have to put the hard work in it when I step back.
Yeah.
I'll put it in.
Well, she's got to know how to operate the business too,
that's
right?
Exactly right.
Yeah,
So
okay.
I'm learning from you, the master. She'll learn
Good.
from me.
All right. Well, that's good. So pets, toddlers, you've got dogs, cat products. Okay. Well, let's just look at the dog and cat products. All right.
Okay.
So let's bring up a few different ideas. So I've got dog collars here. This is a particular dog collar that's an LED dog collar. Have you ever walked your dog at night and where's Ralph? Where's Ralph? And like, Ralph.
Fine.
Yeah. Just like your iPhone now. Right. You can't find them, right? It's like
Especially when they're black German Shepherds.
That's right. Well, here you actually got ones that this is a water resistant flashing lights, right? You got ones here that different ones. I saw these in Germany many years ago at a trade fair, right? You got cheap ones and you got more expensive ones. Obviously, the different markets, cheap, expensive, right? But this is a good first product. Now, what do I mean by that? Like, it's simple, it's easy, it's basic. You're not going to be doing drones, you're not going to be doing TVs or microwaves or anything like that, because it's such a simple product, all right? Very basic, very simple. Something also, it's very lightweight, which is what I like. But if you look at some of the prices, so let's just look at some of these prices. All right, you got $16, you got $18, you got $9, $12, $17, $18. Now let's just look at. I looked at Alibaba before I brought it up. You can buy pretty much the exact same. Like this is the profit margin, isn't that incredible, right? You could buy the exact same thing. You got there 30 cents to $1.39, 40 cents, right? As you go down, there's different ranges here, right?
Yeah.
45 cents. But you know what I love about this? It's the pieces, the minimum order, right? And
look at that.
Yeah, what that means is people think they need to buy like hundreds and thousands of of products. They think they need to buy, like all this to actually get started. But the budget you need is reasonably a lot lower than people think.
Yeah.
And like even we had someone get started. I mean, we've had quite a few people get started on less than $500. It does limit the product choice and what you can choose, but this is certainly a product that you can sell with a budget of $500 or less. But the more budget you have, obviously, the more products you can jump on. You can jump on babies, technology, outdoors, that sort of stuff, right? But that's what I love. That's product number one, and that's actually doing good numbers right now. That's doing really good numbers right now. So let's look at another product. This is another one, right? I had a look at. This is an automatic pet feeder. So you know what it's like to work out and
Totally.
and you go out and you're like, oh my God, did I feed the pet?
Forgot to feed the
Well,
dog.
you never have to worry about that in the future, guys, because this will replace you.
That's kind of sad. I'm going to be replaced by a cat feeder or a dog feeder.
So this is going to replace you essentially, right? So very basic. Well, this is not such a basic product, all right? So it's a little bit more techy. It's on a timer. That's how it operates, right?
Yep.
So it's a little bit more advanced. This would probably be your second product. So we would list this as your second product, not your first.
Yep.
Because you want to get a bit of a rung on the board. You want to kind of get a bit of a know-how on how Amazon operates, right?
Yep. More experience.
That's right. Yep. So, but it's like the number 2 or number 3 pet product selling on Amazon right now. It's doing really, really good numbers. And I think I brought up, like, look at this one right here. Automatic pet feeder for medium, small cat, dog, right? So $9, right? So this is, you buy 12 pieces. Well, what's that? That's $120, $130 essentially. To really get started on this particular product, it's $130, right? You don't need a huge budget.
Yep.
So what, you mentioned you want to create a brand,
I do.
right?
I definitely do. That's my end goal. I want to have, not my name, but
yes. Okay. I'm talking too much, all right? So what do you want to create a brand, ideally of pets? Yes.
I want a brand, but you're going to teach that. That's what.
Well, it's easy creating a brand. It's really just getting a logo done. That's really it. Getting a logo done, which we will do for you.
For me.
And we will also create a thank you card. So inside the actual package, when they open it up, it'll be like, thank you so much. My name's Tracy. My brand is, Go Dogs Go Go Go, and
How about I come up with the name, Alan?
Yeah, okay. You put me on the spot there. I was like, Dogs Go Go Go. All right. So
so again, like only a few pieces, so it's not like you have to buy.
That's right. But rather than buy 500 pieces of one product, you buy 100 pieces of this product, this product, this product, and then suddenly you put your brand under the same brand umbrella.
Right.
Okay, so that's kind of, so this is more of a dog, more cat feeder, right?
Yep.
But so $9, and what are they selling for here? So $94 that one, right? There's a few different ones here. I think I saw that cat one a little bit further down. Where is that cat one? There's different types of ones. So $70, $65. There we go, $49.
Yeah.
So $49, and then so right there, $49. It's got 1,400 reviews. So obviously, they've sold a ton.
Yeah.
And then you've got here from $9 and 12 pieces. Now, if you bought more, it's going to come down cheaper. That can come down as low as $7, depending on how many you're buying.
Okay.
All right. Let's look at another product. So far, we've got two products. Two products, right?
First one, easy one.
It's been like 5 minutes. 5 minutes so far, and it's 2 products already. Okay. Here's another one. This is an elevated pet feeder, right? And the reason why is a lot of older dogs, they have digestion issues. They drink and they do this and they swallow and they scoff down their food, right? So this is something that's selling really well on Amazon. Again, it's basic. There's no batteries. It's something that there's no technology. You don't want to be doing that sort of stuff, right? So that's kind of what you want to do. You want to do the basic stuff, like for your first product, right? Again, just to get a bit of a know-how on how it all works, okay? And the things you look for, you probably know this, small, lightweight, no batteries, no low tech, something you can brand. Like they've branded this one, as you can sort of see.
Yeah, you can.
It looks pretty, cheap. It looks like it's just a sticker. We would probably do a better job of that than that. Okay, but they're still selling. They've got 5,000 ratings. So if you look at it, on average, out of every sale, like review, like rule of thumb is out of every 10 sales, you get 1 review. So 10% of people will leave you a review. So 5,000 ratings, like if you do the math, that's incredible sales, guys. That's a lot of sales.
Yeah.
At $49 a pop, that's really, really good. Here's another product. This is a slow, like dogs scoff down their food, right?
Especially the big dogs.
That's it. So this allows them to play with their food a little bit easier. It's just a plastic bowl. So basic, right? So simple. Again, selling quite well. These are very colourful little mats. Do you know what these are?
I have no idea.
Yeah, most people don't.
No. A feeding mat.
Yeah, a feeding mat. All right. So it's basically a snuffle mat. That's what they call them. You know, when dogs they look for stuff.
Yeah.
They go, you know, they're trying to find the kibble you put in there, right? And it keeps them going for hours. All right, so it keeps them going for hours. You've got to go out, you've got to go have coffee with a friend, you want to keep your dog busy, you sprinkle some treats, you hide him in there, and the dog goes crazy for hours like this. Look at that dog. It's having the time of its life, right?
It's amazing. For people that work all day as well.
Yeah, and they've done some branding there on the image too. So we would brand your product like that as well. So, and we looked at that one already. I mean,
so that's 3 pet products.
Yeah, well, okay, so we've got pet LED collar. We've done the automatic pet feeder, right? We've got the raised elevated dish, okay.
And snuggle rug.
They've got the feeder bowl and the snuffle mat, right? And that's 5 products. That could be your product empire, right? That could be the start of your product empire. You start off with 5 products, and then you slowly build. But 5 products, that's right now quite a good little niche you got there, right? Because when people buy the snuffle mat, do you think that person would be probably interested in potentially buying, your automatic feeder or an LED collar, right? So now you can sell the exact same product to all those other customers, and they'll be cross-selling, each other. So it's a really good little idea, rather than just selling one pet product and jumping on wedding products and then jumping on women's clothing. It's like all over the place. So it's you want to keep it on point.
About it like that, keeping it as a niche.
That's it. So it's really just a matter of just getting started. So the next step for us to list this, and for those who are watching, you might not know that we actually list products for some of our clients. Not all of them, but just some of our clients. We list products for them if you want us to do that service for you. But we take care of basically the logo. We do a thank you card. We design. I mean, we help you with branding. We help you. I can run ideas. Like I can actually run ideas like this. Pretty much what I've done with Tracy with you as well, and we discuss ideas and run ideas together. And we do everything like barcoding. We help you ship it to the Amazon warehouse. We create a label and it tells you which warehouse to ship it to. If you want to sell in America, no problem. Sell in Australia, no problem. Both? Yeah, no, we can do that as well, right? We can do European. We listed a product the other day on the Japanese market.
Wow.
So you can sell this in Japan if you want, right? So.
Well, I'm glad you're listing my product, my first.
Yeah, that's right.
But that's awesome ideas.
Yeah, well, it's easy, but you do need to speak to someone who does this every single day. You can't speak to someone who doesn't. I live and breathe Amazon. We've got a big team behind us. I mean, we don't outsource this sort of stuff. We have in-house people that do the listings for us. Like we actually have people we pay in-house employees that actually list products on behalf of our clients, and we're always reaching out. You can reach us on the phone. Give us a call in the office if you want us to list your product on Amazon. Give us a call in the office. 02 8003 7534. That's the Australian number. The New Zealand number is on the screen as well. And get started. But did you have any questions, Tracy, at all?
No, I'm blown away with how systematic and
good
you make it look so easy.
Yeah,
and I never thought of going down that track of having multiple products.
Yes.
Probably would have ended up being one of those all over the shop people if I hadn't come to your training.
Doing wedding products and pets.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that, but I love that.
And it's such an easy niche to get involved in too for your first niche. So anyway, you'll learn more at the workshop we're doing in next month. But it's going to be good. So
thank you.
All right.
Really appreciate your
quick
time.
case study. No, all good, Tracy. It's a very quick case study, guys. And give us a call in the office if you want to have a chat and want us to list your product. All right. Have a great day. Thank you, Tracy.
Thank you.
See you guys.
Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. What's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.